Okay, this better? Yes. Do say slow like mine. Okay, so for him to come in, for him to come in and strike, right now he's false. Okay? So for him to come in and strike, I do not want to block this here. He hits and I want to come here. When I glide here, I'm just using this hand now, I want to trap that line. So when he hits, I'm going to see that movement there, push that hand out, that movement then traps that. If I want to release that, this is a drill. He punches, and I want to hit it there. See how I'm attacking those the hip? In between that, you have all this kind of stuff, and that lower. See? In between that, you have other kicking, and you're trapping. Okay? But the first thing you can do is, so you hit, I want to come here. Look at this movement of the foot. One, here. Now I'm going to do one, two. So if he does the one, and he does the two, I want to be here. See what I mean? I can take the body anywhere I want for this. And all I use that. Reset control. I'm here. One, two. I'm here. Second thing is, this brings here, there's my elbow. It's delivered right down here. That has power. I drop here to pass the head. I'm locking his head under my stomach. Tell me right about there. Good?
Yeah.
How much?